How to create your monthly dump photo trend on Instagram. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create your monthly photo dump trend on Instagram. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram app. And once you do that, you just want to head over to the plus icon to add a story, or you can just swipe right on your screen. And if you want to create a layout, you just want to tap on this one right here and select a picture from your gallery. So once you have added all of your images, you just want to tap on this done button, and then you just have to add a sticker. Go ahead and tap on the sticker icon on the top, or just swipe up on your screen, and then you'll have this option add yours. Go ahead and tap on this one, and here you can write a prompt. So you can just write your monthly dump, and once you do that, you just tap on done, or on the top right you can set it wherever you want, and then just post your story. Just wait for it to post completely. Now, once your story is completely uploaded, if someone taps on the add yours, it will directly open up the camera and they can add their monthly dump as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.